Security forces opened fire outside the Westgate Mall in Nairobi, trying to regain control from armed men. A blanket covers someone thought to be one of the casualties. The shopping complex was packed at about midday local time when people heard a large explosion. Then they saw men with AK-47 machine guns open fire. Some of the shoppers were able to escape, and about 20 people were rescued by the police. But dozens of people are still thought to be trapped inside. The police were able to enter the building about an hour after the attack started.
The thugs are supposed to have been holed up on the second floor. At the cinema, they have been isolated by the police, and the police are actually combing room by room, floor by floor, as the issue, the saga develops.
There is a security process to get into the shopping mall. But as seen here, there's a restaurant on the ground floor that's protected from the road only by a balcony. And from the street just outside, sporadic gunfire can still be heard. Caroline Malone, Al Jazeera. Thanks.